Hello guys, welcome to the Hodl EOS channel, where we stay focused on EOS and EOSio blockchains. My name is Rob. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell. Big news out of Block.one today. Block.one announces EOS VC grant program recipients. And it is quite a long list. Not one, not two, not five, not 10, but 34 blockchain projects receiving funding from the EOS VC grant program. Block.one awards grant funding to 34 companies using EOSio to build diverse solutions. This program offers $50,000 to qualified recipients who are contributing to the advancement of the EOSio ecosystem through innovative products and services. Block.one CEO Brendan Bloomer says, "We believe that nurturing up-and-coming projects that are still in the early stages of collaboration is a powerful way to foster grassroots proliferation of blockchain technology." And the list is long, 34 different projects receiving funding. Starting off, these are in alphabetical order. AdNode. AdNode automates reconciliation in digital advertising. The software eliminates waste in digital ad spending by rapidly identifying the cost and sources of viewability, brand safety, and non-human traffic issues. Anylog, the next generation decentralized IoT platform, cost-effective solution to collect, store, and extract real-time insight from IoT data. Breach provides consumer cyber insurance solutions against cryptocurrency exchange hacks. Custos uses blockchain technology to prevent illicit media distribution by embedding crypto bounties. Digital Oracles is a growth management platform. EcoMatcher plants trees in complete forests with vetted foundations and NGOs from around the world. Forecast is a digital media platform. Gear is the developer of digital authentic goods. Genobank is anonymous saliva DNA extraction kit plus privacy-preserving DNA data wallet. Genuine Way is a tech service provider specializing in the development and distribution of blockchain-integrated applications. Havuda is a data collection and analysis company. Herd is a virtual blockchain technology learning platform. Karma is a social application, incentivizes users to share positive and interesting content and receive karma. Clavoya is a smart contract analysis and execution engine, checking for bugs and security vulnerabilities. Lava ID is working on something called smart fingerprints, which are individually unique and counterfeit protected using EOSio. Lime Labs focuses on public and private blockchain development. Magic Lines uses AR to improve the life of dementia patients. Nougat, a network of community management, governance, and fundraising tools. Outplay Games enables game developers to easily plug in competitive experiences into their games with crypto buy-in and payout. Pact is online and offline wardrobe management solution. Portfolio.io is a crypto app based on crypto portfolios. Pummel is a dApp that gamifies health behaviors by rewarding members with reward tokens and also secures and protects their health records on EOSio. Quokka's product Credible provides the essentials of everything from social listening, review management, feedback analysis, to social proof pop-ups and conversion optimizations. SnapX platform is a verified talent marketplace. Tabletop ID provides anti-counterfeit measures and encourages consumer engagement while creating a secure channel for direct marketing and communication. Taikai helps organizations run their hackathons and open innovation challenges. TalkShow, their product Civil, is an asynchronous video conversation platform enabling organizations of all sizes to discuss, debate, and decide the issues they face collectively. The Labs is an ecosystem of content collaboration tools. The Writer Company network of community publications. True Origin enables anyone to create, manage, and track smart readable QR codes for their products. Unum ID provides sharified identity technology. Urban Chain Group has the Parking B&B app, which helps drivers to find the cheapest and closest parking with enough parking space available upon arrival. WordProof is a tool for timestamping content online. And Zumo, a mobile wallet and payment platform. Quite a long list. You can see there is no single point of focus. There are applications across the board, from timestamping content to focusing on parking to health applications to product tracking to blockchain development. The list goes on and on. 34 separate blockchain companies in EOSio have received grants from the EOS VC grant program. It's really exciting to hear this news. There is no single focus of the EOS VC grant program, at least in this round. Projects across the board building very diverse solutions on EOSio in a vast array of categories. So kudos to Block.one in the EOS VC grant program for supporting so many different projects in the EOSio ecosystem in this round of grant funding. Great to see that kind of support from Block.one in the EOS VC grant program for the EOSio ecosystem. And it's not just EOS. Other EOSio chains have projects that did receive funding, including chains like Telos. If you're not on Telos yet and are interested in getting a free Telos account, visit the link in the description to this page where you can read more on Telos and get your free account through the free Telos account button. Free account options are available through mobile wallets, desktop wallets, and using a Telegram bot. Lots of news across all of EOSio, including Telos, which I will cover more of this news in an upcoming video. Again, link in the description to this page. I'll also leave a link in the description to the official EOSio news release, which includes all of the projects that receive funding this round from EOS VC. Quite a long list. Each one of them is clickable to their website, so go check them out if you are interested in some of these. But that's going to do it for this quick EOSio update. If you aren't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell. I will see you guys in the next one.